Now we'll learn about conditional formatting in this video. In the Home tab, there's a section of styles. There are options like conditional formatting, format is table, cell, and styles. In conditional formatting, there are different options like highlight cells rules, in which these are actually the conditions. If some things are greater than, then it will become highlighted. If some values in your data is less than, then you can select option and highlight them. Then between cells equal to text that contains this kind of information, then those will be highlighted or will be separately visible. Next option are date occurring and duplicate values. Then there are some top or bottom rules to highlight top 10 items in your data. You can select this option. Top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10%, above average, below average. Data bars in your data, you can highlight them and show the values increasing or decreasing. Color scales, you can use these different color scales. Then icon sets, you can also use these different symbols which will make your data readable and attractive. So all these are actually the conditions which will be present in your data, and then you can apply these options in your data to make them visible and attractive. This is conditional formatting.